Can you understand fast English conversations? Do you know if your listening skills are beginner, intermediate, or advanced? Have you ever turned on an English TV show and after a few minutes you thought, wait, what are they saying? They speak so quickly, words blend together, and suddenly you're feeling completely lost. Well, never fear, I'm here to help you. Today we are going to test your listening skills with some real English speakers. And I will show you exactly how you can understand fast English conversations easier. Let's do it. Hi, I'm Vanessa from speakenglishwithvanessa.com, and for over the past 10 years, I have been teaching real-life English here on my YouTube channel, now to more than 7 million of you. I can't believe it. Thank you for learning English with me. And like always, I have created a free PDF worksheet that includes everything you are going to learn today, plus a special bonus. Inside this free worksheet, you will have access to a bonus 15 minutes of today's real-life conversation so that you can continue to test your listening skills, see if you can actually understand fast English conversations. How can you get this free worksheet plus bonus listening conversation? All you need to do is click on the link in the description, enter your name and email address, and voila, just like that, it will land in your email inbox. This is my gift to you. So here's how today's lesson is going to work. We are going to use my proven conversation breakdown method. Number 1, you will listen to a short clip from a real-life conversation. Number 2, after the clip, I will ask you a question to see if you understood what was said in that conversation. And number 3, I will teach you an important concept that was used in that conversation clip so that you can understand fast conversations better. Just a little note, if you have subtitles turned on, turn them off right now. I don't want you to use subtitles right this moment, not yet. I want you to really test your listening skills. You can do it. All right, let's dive in. You're about to meet my friend Sarah, who is a massage therapist as her job. She is talking about a massage technique. So listen carefully. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Massaging with a stone is wonderful. Usually they're a little bit bigger and made of basalt.
Okay, that gray kind of color?
B-A-S-A-L-T, basalt.
Okay.
And those rocks are found in Northern California or Hawaii. And they hold the heat beautifully. So you can heat the rocks in water. And so you use them as a tool up and down the back and arms and legs.